1,000 generations falling down in worship to sing the song of ages to the Lamb. And all who've gone before us and all who will believe will sing the song of ages to the Lamb. Your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above them all.
Kaya and myself have been friends like for years, and if I can remember very well, I think we were still in varsity because we met at Forte University back in the days around about 2014, 2015. And then, yeah, Kaya has always been my friend, and we've always had a very good relationship in our lives. She's one of the most caring people that I've ever known in this world. And seeing her being at this point of her life this day, like, it's very amazing for me because we've journeyed together, we've seen each other like in a lot of things. And one thing I love about Kaya is that he's one person who is very God-loving, God-fearing, and a very understanding person, and a person who doesn't like izinto ezingekho right, like ezingahamba endleleni, to a point that at one point when I was still working in Cape Town, she once visited my house. So we didn't really have plans because she was actually like from Joburg. So we didn't have plans on what to do, and the way that she was so frustrated and the way that she was fighting me that we were just doing a random drive without any destination or any direction. But anyway, it ended up being a very fun story of our lives because we ended up doing like quite a lot of activities. It was amazing. I'm one person who doesn't love planned stuff because sometimes planned things don't really come along. But as for her, she likes direction, and then she likes things that are straightforward. She likes time. She's very time-keeping. So as for me, I'm very opposite of her. I think that's one thing that makes us so amazing together because we very much complementing each other, and where I find myself lagging, she's more strong, and where I find her lacking, she's more strong.
I met V in 2013. Yes, I met V in 2013. So on our way to school. So we started in the same institution but different campuses. So we met on our way to school back from June holidays. V is a what? A caring person, a very considerate person, and someone who's very selfless, if I would say. Someone who can actually prioritize someone before him. So is that genuine? Yeah.
Above all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above them all, and the angels cry, holy, all creation cries, holy, you are lifted high, holy forever.
Today it is my auntie's wedding, and I feel happy for her, and I wish her great moments, and I wish her to be always happy, her life filled with happiness and love.
So on this very day, I just want to say congratulations to Kaya and V that they've come up to this far and what the journey that they're taking into their lives. And I understand that she's actually like getting into a new journey of her life, but I just pray that she doesn't forget about us. Anyway, she's not that type of a person. She doesn't forget her people. So yeah, congratulations, Kaya. We love you so much from your friends.
see the moon, I see the moon, I see the moon. Oh, when you're looking at the sun, you're not a fool, not a fool, not a fool. No, you're not fooling anyone.
Mafishana ke ndithi wavundla abantu bakavundla yamkhulula umakoti ndingisabavundla kusasa ndikhulela umakoti kusasa ezabavundla ke ndawo thetha abavundla okwangoku sizathetha ezalapha esilungwini inkosi